Edo Governor Obaseki don't praise the good character of the late Emeritus Archbishop of Benin City Catholic Archdiocese, Archbishop Ebosele Ekpu, to salute to him for the way he take contribute to the development of the state's education sector. Obaseki will lead some government officials go visit the Archbishop of Benin Catholic Archdiocese, Archbishop Augustine Akubeze for Benin City. Come talk say the late Emeritus Archbishop na person wey love education well and na correct ambassador of the Catholic faith. The Omoga people will follow Oga Obaseki for the condolence visit now. Speaker, Edo State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Blessing Abuebaku, Deputy Speaker of the Assembly, Honorable Maria Edeko, and other members of the Assembly, Secretary to the State Government, Joseph Eboegbe, serving commissioners and heads of ministries, departments and agencies, MDAs, among others. Obaseki talk say them come to pay condolence visit to the Archbishop Augustine Akubeze and the Catholic community for the state on top the passing of the late father, His Grace Most Reverend Dr. Ebosele Ekpu, the Archbishop of Metropolitan See of Benin City, and say the late bishop na the bishop wey dem sabi when dem dey grow up for Edo, as he na father to all, and say wetin make am stand out and wetin people go always remember am for na im interest and love for education and how he take rebuild the Catholic schools to make them better. He constantly talk say even though say dem go miss am, dem go dey celebrate all the things when he achieve and go always remember the good things when he do for the state, the Catholic community and mankind.
And we're here this afternoon to pay condolence to you and the Catholic community of the state on the passing of our father, the late Archbishop Ebosele Ekpu, who was the bishop we knew in Edo growing up. I think we all grew up under him. He was a father to all of us. And one thing that stood him out, and we will always remember him for, was his interest and love for education, and how he made the church, the Catholic Church, the proprietor of choice in terms of the way he rebuilt the Catholic schools, the diocese. All we're here to do today is to commiserate with you, but to thank God that he gave him to us, and that in his lifetime he was able to make a difference in our society and in our lives. So while we mourn him, we also celebrate him and celebrate his achievements.
For his own side, Archbishop Akubeze thanked the governor for the visit and come assure and say the church go continue to pray for the success of your administration.
So, and as if he knew that all the bishops are meeting in this province, he died just before they started coming, knowing that all of them will be there. So all the bishops who are going to come here, and we want to give him a befitting burial. You have always cooperated with us in everything we do, hosting bishops and all that. And this time we pray that you, and ask that you please do not leave us alone, because we want to give him a real befitting burial because of his virtues and because of all that he did while he was on earth. So I thank you for finding out time to come for this condolence visit. We appreciate it. Leaving government house and bringing everyone with you, everyone that matters in the state. That is very instructive. Thank you very much. And we want to promise you our prayers, for the smooth running of your government.
Make una not forget, say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojiseli, TNC TV News.